Hey there, and welcome to Diamond School of Nursing. Today, let's walk you through how to check out CNA Practice Test, Part 2, 450 plus essential exam questions. Simply visit our online program. From the main menu, select CNA Practice Test, Part 2, 450 plus essential exam questions to view full program details. If you've already enrolled, just click Login now. Once logged in, you'll see all the programs you're enrolled in. Select CNA Practice Test, Part 2, 450 plus essential exam questions and start practicing. You'll have access to 5 practice tests with 80 questions each plus bonus questions. That's over 450 essential exam questions. You can choose to practice one question at a time or all questions at once using 2 different modes. After completing each quiz, you'll receive your result along with a detailed score breakdown. This helps you see if improvement is needed in any specific category. You can also customize your experience by selecting a custom number of questions to practice and turning on the Shuffle Quiz option for a fresh challenge every time. Go ahead, start practicing, track your progress, and get fully prepared for your CNA exam. If you have any questions, we're always here to help.